Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to turn your Canva designs into real products and make money? Here's how to connect Canva to Printify in 60 seconds. First of all, go to your canva.com and create your design like t-shirts, mugs, and stickers, anything. Make sure your design has a transparent background if needed. Click on share icon, then select download, then select PNG. With high quality, hit download. Now head over to printify.com, then sign up for or log in, then pick a product from their catalog. Click on start designing, then upload your Canva file, resize and place it where you want on the product. Hit save product, set a title, price and connect your online store like Etsy or Shopify. And that's it. You just turned your Canva art into a product you can sell worldwide with Printify. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.